Okay, so ET Phone Drones Metal. Really want to thank you guys for checking out my channel here. I do a lot of metal. And drone flying, which seems to be pretty popular these days. I think drone sales have probably gone through the roof just because I've just been buying them every fucking month. I do have a drone drop coming in soon. That's going to be a micro drone drop. Just basically everything that I need to set up a drone, and I will be doing a complete video build on that. Real quick, a little bit about myself. I think a couple videos before I said I started out with this parrot here. So I got a parrot, a Nafi, and that parrot has taken me all the way to getting FPV goggles and getting into a bunch of whoops and getting into micros. This was a Blade Torrent that is no longer usable because the ESC burnt out. And so today I'm just going to be showing you guys quickly this TBS, how this TBS the TBS propellers from Team Black Sheep fly, and they fly fucking amazing, right? So these things fly absolutely like a wizard, man. These things are dope. It just whizzes by you. Get it, wizard? But yeah, it is definitely a little freaking beamer. It's a little beam of light. I really like these props. I want to give props to TBS for making these props. I think these props are way better and way more durable than these guys. These guys right here are the ones that come with the what do they come with? These guys come with your mobula. They come with your trash can. That's what it is. They come with your trash can. But yeah, hope you guys like that beat, because I just got it going on right here. Anyways, that was my solo for the day. What do I want to show you guys? Yeah, I'm going to show you guys the weight. Alright guys, so this is my setup right here. I've got the V3s with the Menace right here. Got a nice Menace antenna, and I've also got a Mad Mushroom on there. I got a bunch of stickers that I've just been picking up and putting on there like an idiot. But then I have the Jumper T12, guys. This guy, I just can't explain, or I can't tell you guys how much I love this thing. I really do. It accepts crossfire in there, so I've got long range in that puppy. You can put a 2S battery of any type in here, and it's ready to go. I have a 650 in there currently. And then here is the Mobula 7 conversion. I tightened everything down. Hopefully I'm not going to get any jello in this video. I'm going to go ahead and clean off the camera there. But I have two 450 GNB batteries underneath there, ready to fly. This thing is ready to go. I freaking love this little flyer. I've done minimal tuning on it, just kind of, lowering the D gain, all kinds of other crap. But here it goes, okay? I'm going to go ahead and plug her in here. Go ahead and plug her in. Boinks. And boinkleson. It's a beautiful day out here in California, guys. You're watching ET Phone Drones on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoy this little flight here. Yay. I'm gonna go ahead and get that puppy going. Get this tuned into the video channel. We're still cruising. There it is. And so I need a new camera on this thing. This thing is not doing justice. But for what it is now, we'll go ahead and roll with it now. But it's definitely seen better days. I think I've just banged it up a lot. And so I need a new camera on this thing. But we will go ahead and go with it today. I'm going to put this puppy in So this jumper just jumps right around to... Die for me!